Russia-Ukraine conflict in 2024, a persistent geopolitical quagmire. The origin of the conflict traced back to Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, marking a significant deterioration in an already fraught relationship between NATO and Russia. The war has become the flashpoint for NATO-Russian tension, with diplomatic and military relations strained to a level not seen since the height of the Cold War. The economic sanctions imposed by Western power, particularly the NATO member states, have added layers of complexity to an already volatile situation. At the end of the heart of this enduring crisis, in Russia's President Vladimir Putin, whose strategic decisions have fueled both the war and its unpredictability, the Western Bloc, led by the NATO, has consistently provided Ukraine with financial and military aid. Further interchanges both the sides in the protracted conflict while Ukraine continued to defend its Soviet bolstered by Western support. Russia remained steadfast in pursuing its geopolitical ambition. The efforts of this conflict stretch far beyond the battlefield of Eastern Europe as economic sanctions continue to squeeze Russia's economic global trade network are also feeling the strain, particularly in energy and commodity market. Europe, heavily reliant on Russia's energy supply, face ongoing volatile energy prices, while emerging markets across Asia and Africa grapple with soaring food and fuel costs. Capitals flow both to and from Russia have become fraught with risk, destabilizing global financial markets. While the intermediate threat of a global conflict remain low, the unpredictability nature of the war and Putin quality strategy have triggered arms across the international community. The longer the conflict persists, the greater the chance of unintended escalations that could draw the other nations into a direct confrontations, igniting a wider geopolitical crisis. The stack are immersed with any misstep potentially leading devastating consequences on a global scale. In 2024, the Russia-Ukraine war shows no sign of adapting, and with it, the geopolitical risks continue to mount. The conflict not only threatens Ukraine's future but also reverberates across the global economic, amplifying uncertainty in financial market, trade routes and energy supplies. While world power remain wary of direct involvement, the precarious of the situations make it a pivotal issue on the international stage. As long as the war drags on, the world remain on edge, hoping to avoid a catastrophic fallout of an unintended escalating. This analysis underscores the persistent dangers and far-reaching consequences of the conflict, highlighting the unpredictable nature of geopolitical power plays an interconnected world.